Yeah. Bami gaskiya freestyle album. Faruk Tech. Please excuse me, nigga, abin ya fi karfin raini ya shiga da wulakanci. We just spend the time about him thinking about za mu samu adalci. Then cause of your careless abin haram fara nuna bambanci. Since your first 10 was securities kawai kake labari. No improvement even during corona season. Kudanci ne kawai suke da gari. Long time nigga, you look the people know wai yaushe zaka fara nazari. Haba mu bada lokaci da kuriyu mu dan mun yi magana akan rayukan mu sai ka sa kama mu. Abin mamaki he concerned of protest then cause of terrorism and the securities. Some people block the road, just let F sell them while you all decide called revolution. Ai dan ka je hold now the release the southern welfare da aka ake adalci. From bottle to top proper rulers, don't expect that we will keep on taking you as a leaders. Cause you fold your arms and wish the killers. If you like rehabilitate your psyche. Cause the first time your imagination talakawa ne kawai za su ta tafiya. So now the choice is yours, don tura ya fara kaiwa bango. I got nothing even I lost my life, kaifa. Mu je haka, wataran kasan da kuka mulka sai ya fi karfinku. Faruk, I'm go.